All right, this is my Samsung dryer. Let me show you inside. Here it is. And this is the lint removal thing. You gotta make sure you get all the lint out of it. Otherwise, you don't want to put, you don't want to put your clothes in there with the lint. I gotta clean that up. I'll show you a quick way to do it too. And this is the way I get all the lint out of here. And inside the machine. So once you get all the lint out, you put this back in, and this goes that way when you put it in. Just like that. And bam, that's done. Here's some information on it here. You know, it just kind of tells you a little bit about it. And you just shut the door here. It's got a thing here. It tells it's closed. Over here you can look. Power, start. It's got all this stuff on here. You can do timer, temperature. You got different, different settings. You can do time dry, quick dry, air fluff, wrinkle release, damp, normal, more, very dry. There's the name. And this is a great dryer. All you got to do is plug it in, and then you've got to hook up the exhaust that blows out all the way out down there. And that noise is this washing machine washing. But anyway, yeah, bam, Bob's your uncle. Look at that, Samsung. It's sweet. Highly recommend. You can get it here on Amazon. Cheap.